Alright, now while Apple is still trying to add a decade-old customization features on its iPhones, Samsung is finally back in the game of innovation and leading the charge. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features the world's first hardware-level privacy display, and it is a total game changer. Samsung has just released the teasers for the Galaxy S26 series, and these teasers are mainly focused on this brilliant feature, the privacy display. You can see in the first video, people are staring at your phone while you are unlocking it, and those patterns are not visible to the people who are just staring at your phone. On another clip, you are in a metro and you're trying to key in your password. For the people sitting next to you, the passwords are not visible. And in the last clip, somebody is staring at your notification, and even that notification is completely invisible for the person who is staring right into the phone. And Samsung cleverly says it's not a smartphone anymore, it's an AI phone. On X, Ice Universe has shared some more details about this feature. According to his post, Samsung S26 Ultra redefines mobile security by moving beyond standard screen-wide dimming to offer localized, high-precision privacy control. This feature allows users to mask specific areas of the display, such as sensitive message notification area, rendering them completely black to side-viewing prying eyes while remaining crystal clear to the user. By protecting only the most vulnerable content rather than the entire screen, the device maintains peak visibility for the rest of its tasks. This makes it an incredible practical tool for crowded public spaces like elevators or subways, where it balances discrete data, protecting with an uncompromised viewing experience. Now, this isn't just a software filter, it's Flex Magic Pixel technology built directly into the new M14 OLED stack. After 5 years of development, Samsung has created a screen that hides your content from side views while staying crystal clear for you. And apparently, you can set it to activate automatically for specific applications like banking application or WhatsApp or whichever application that you prefer. The moment you open the application, the privacy display gets activated, and when you close it, it gets deactivated. Probably this will work through modes and routines feature or something like that. Let's wait and see that. The next exciting information is about the app lock feature, which you guys have been waiting for. Recent leaks surrounding Android 17, internally known as Baklava, suggest that Google is finally bringing a native app locking feature directly into the operating system. This is a big deal for Samsung users because it will likely arrive as a core part of One UI 9, offering a much faster and more streamlined way to secure your data. Unlike the current secure folder, which requires you to move applications into a separate, heavy vault, this new tool lets you lock any applications right from your home screen with a simple long press. The system is designed to be incredibly intuitive, using your existing biometrics or PIN to grant access while even masking sensitive notification text so prying eyes can't read your messages on the lock screen. It's essentially a lightweight privacy layer that sits exactly where you need it, making it perfect for quickly securing things like your gallery, banking applications, or private chats. Since this is being built into the foundation of Android itself, we can expect it to feel much more responsive and integrated than the third-party workarounds or secure folder we had to rely on in the past. So yes, the application lock feature is expected, but not on One UI 8.5. It's expected on One UI 9.0, which is expected to arrive probably in about 7 to 8 months from now. Now, as far as the Android 17 is concerned, while the early looks suggest a visual stunning update, there is a growing concern that Google might be sacrificing its own identity to chase Apple's design aesthetic. The leak reveals a heavy shift towards liquid glass effects, bringing blurred, transparent UI elements to the volume sliders and power menus, which looks sleek but feels like a direct nod to iOS 26. This move, combined with rumors of a split notification and quick settings panel, has some fans worried that Android is abandoning the unique, playful spirit of its Material 3 expressive design language. It's a bit of a double-edged sword. While the interface looks more polished and premium than ever, there is a real risk the Pixel experience could lose its distinct personality and become just another iOS clone in a market already crowded with them. Essentially, Google is walking a fine line between modernizing the software and erasing the very things that make Android feel like Android. So some exciting days ahead. We are going to see the brand new S26 Ultra with some cool new features. We are going to see some new features on Android 17 and the app lock, which is also expected. I will keep you guys posted about everything that's happening with your phone, so be sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. That's all I have here today. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.